Hi and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be giving you an update on the seeds that I've sown previously. I'll have a link to that video in the description or in the cards above. Now most of the plants are now becoming leggy, so I'm gonna transplant a few of them, and also I'll be transplanting from the A-Hope garden the tomato plants, and also probably I'll take out that lettuce and replant a whole new set of lettuce seeds and also spinach. Now let's get started on these leggy plants. This one we have here, the arugula. These are the arugula. In this one we have the turnips. We have broccoli here. We have rutabaga in this one. We have the green acre cabbage in this one, and the red acre cabbage, none of the seeds have germinated, at least not yet. And here we have the bells of Ireland flowers. These are the bells of Ireland flowers. And here we have the red onions. Quite a few of them germinated. Here we have the beta alpha self-pollinating cucumbers. This one, they are reaching for the light. That's why they are leaning over. And in this last section we have the tiny tim tomato plants. I seeded more than I thought, but I'll have to find space to plant them all out. So let me show you how I'll be potting these leggy plants. Now to solve this problem, I'll be burying them a bit deep in the soil. But one thing you have to be careful of is the amount of water that you'll be watering these plants. Now that they are leggy and they have been buried deeply, the stem will be more in the soil. So with too much water, the plants will rot. So you have to put very little water on them. So let's get started. Okay, we'll start with the arugulas. I'm gonna put 2 to a container. Now this process is very repetitive, and because I have so many to transplant, I'm gonna do the others off camera. And I'm also gonna be potting the tomato plants as well. I'll be putting them in this medium-sized container. this is what we have here. I'm gonna see how deep I can plant these. I think I have 2 plants in this pod, so I'll have to separate them somehow. It's just one plant. Seems as if it's just one plant. I'll leave them just as they are, and I'll plant them, and later on probably I'll be able to separate them if indeed it's 2. The roots are very nice. I'll remove the starter leaves.